Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and software ready because a dying battery or missing app interrupts the flow. Once the battery is at least 50% and a micro SD is inserted, power the GoPro and enable its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure your phone has the GoPro app installed. Launch it and select Add Camera. This puts the camera into pairing mode so the app can detect it. Don't skip this immediate step because pairing begins the whole connection process. Once done pairing, you need to finalize the connection and configure settings so recordings meet your needs. In the app, tap the detected camera and follow prompts. Choose Wi-Fi for full remote control or Bluetooth for basic links, and enter the camera password when asked. Make sure to set resolution and frame rate to match your purpose, enable live preview to confirm framing, and check orientation. These steps ensure the app talks to the camera. You finish by starting the recording and managing files. Press record in the app or on the camera and verify the red recording indicator and live preview. After shooting, browse media in the app and download clips to your phone or upload to cloud storage for backup. If you encounter a problem, first restart both camera and phone, then reset the GoPro Wi-Fi settings and repair. This clears stale pairings. If issues persist, update firmware and app. Then try pairing again to resolve stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.